Yeah, uh, yeah. So let me just introduce. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to this session on introduction to M365 administrator certified. How to become M365 certified administrator expert. So we have with us Zar. He is Microsoft most valuable professional and also managing director of ZNS Educational Services. So welcome Zar, welcome to this session, and I hope you all are ready or in order ready to learn this amazing topic. So over to you, Zar.
And thank you so much. First of all, I want to say thank you so much, all attendees, and I apologize. Our the 10 minutes is late for my connection, and my computer device is not working. I'm so sorry. So I will share your screen. My God. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, yeah. Can you see my PowerPoint slide? Ha- Hello? Can you see my PowerPoint slide?
We can see only a white screen. I guess it's loading, or I mean, we can see a blank screen.
Okay, please told me you can see how to begin Microsoft 365 my PowerPoint slide. Can you see?
Mm, no, I can't see. Only,
Okay,
we can only see a white screen, like plain white.
okay, okay. My God. Okay. Uh, can you see my PowerPoint screen?
Yeah, yes, we can see.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, we will start. Let us start my session. Today our session is how to become M365 certified administrator expert. I hope end of the session we can clear the our point of view and specify certified administrator expert. I want to share you the very clear method, and today topic is a very important today our life IT life career journey. And you know this all of the organization and all of the IT organization today use the M365. Okay, this is a very important our section, and I want to show you the step by step and how to learn M365 administrator expert. First, I want to introduce myself. I'm Zani Tin. I'm from Myanmar. I'm one of the MVP since 2019, and this is 5 time of this years. And I'm also MCT since 2014, as 10 years ago. This is my life career journey and together the Microsoft. Yeah, and I want to show this is a very important topic. This is a different MS 102 and 365 administrator and M365 certified administrator is expert. This is a different, but most of the people is the not clear this the IT this certification. This you can see this is very important. MS 102 is the only M365 administrator. You can see this is M365 certified administrator expert. This is a part of the requirement. you know. And then this other side is this is a you can, if you want to take this exam, you can this exam, and if you pass this exam, if you will be the M365 administrator, but not you will be the administrator expert. This is a very different, yeah. And then you can see M365 certified administrator expert, you need to 5 certificate, not all the 5 certificate, it is a one of the certificate, and plus core subject is the MS 102. Yeah, this is a very different of the MS 102 certification, and administrator expert is different. And next slide, you can see this is a very clear method, and you can see this is a Microsoft requirement. And if you want to be a Microsoft certified administrator expert, you need to do the 2 certificate. Yeah, one of the certificate is the optional. This is a 5 certificate. If you take a 1 certificate, and plus you need to M3 certified administrator. This is a certificate and 2 subject. And then if you pass this 2 certificate, you will be the Microsoft administrator expert. This is very clear. And you can see what certificate you need, the prerequisite, and you can see the endpoint manager and the messaging manager, as administrator, and this is this team ID, and this identity and access, and the final is the information protection and compliance. This is a 5 certificate. All need the, you can pass this certificate. You need the 1 certificate. Yeah, and I want to show you, this is your rule. If you apply your job or your life ID life career, you need your rule. Your rule is a very important ID life career. And if you want to work in house or SI company, you need the, this is rule certificate is very important. If you life this is your life life career. Okay, I want to show the demo, which how you can see the this uh, M365 expert. Yeah, and you can see this is, and then you can go to the Microsoft Microsoft certify, sorry, M365 administrator. Yeah, administrator certification. And you can see this is a Microsoft LAN. This is our slide. This is a complete certificate, and then you can see this is a Microsoft LAN is a very clear, and you're very useful your life career journey, and you can learn that very easy. And if you want to become a endpoint manager, you can see this is a endpoint manager certificate, and then you can click the and take one exam. You need to one exam, only one exam, and this is an associate level. And if you want, if you pass this exam, you will be the Microsoft Endpoint Administrator Associate. This is a very clear. And you can see other certificate. If you want to be the Microsoft team administrator, and you can see this is a very easy, and there is a one you can take the one exam, and this is a managing Microsoft team. I think it is a MS 700. MS 700 is a Microsoft team, and if you pass this exam, you will be a Microsoft team administrator associate. This is a very clear. And then you can see this is this if you attend your university, and this is a minor subject, and this is a core subject, this is a major subject. Major subject is a M365 administrator. M365 administrator is a core subject. You must take this exam. This is a very important. And then you can see M365 administrator. You can click this exam. This exam is the code number is MS102, and you can see this is a sorry. You can see this is a part of the M365 administrator expert. Okay, and this is a very clear. This is a different of the Microsoft MS 101 exam and Microsoft Microsoft 365 this is administrator expert. This is a different, and I want to back to my uh, PowerPoint. Okay, first, if you want to be a Microsoft 365 administrator expert, you need to the three step. First step is that you can train your life career journey, and you must apply the practice, and final you get your end of the Microsoft administrator expert. This is a three step. Yeah, this I want to show you the M365. If you want to the M365 administrator, you need to this core area and faction. This you must know the all M365 workload. What is a M365 workload? M365, first of all, you need to learn the M365 is a chain to the Office 365. Microsoft launched to the Office 365. Office 365 since 2010. This is the Microsoft launch of the Office 365. And Microsoft this change to the name Office 365 to M365 is I think 2017. This is Microsoft change to the M365. 7 years ago, it is Microsoft changed the M365. First of all, you need to the M365. What is M365 and how to use M365? How different the M365 and Office 2019, 2022. This is what is different. You know you must know the this Microsoft 365 workload. Hard for the Microsoft 365. First is the unique, and second is the very important is a multiple M365 workload. M365 is not only the cloud-based, cloud work. This is a cloud-based because it's the work to the on-premise. On-premise is a our first journey is your setting as your server 2019 2022. This is your on-premise work together also work M365, and this is a multiple M365 workload. Yeah, and how the responsibility administrator workload, infrastructure, identity, security, compliance, endpoint, and the application. This is a very important, and this is a second. You must know this area. And third, you need to do the networking. Networking is basically and very important our ID life career. First, if you want to your life ID career journey, if you want to be the expert, you must learn the networking. This technology, networking technology is basically the first our life career journey. CompTIA and Microsoft. This is not only the Microsoft focus. This is a networking focus, and the networking is a very important. How to work the IP addressing and how to work the this is a router. This is a routing, and this is a very important. And how to the VVN, how to work the VVN, how to work the visualization is very important. You must learn the networking. And fourth is you must learn to the server administrator, because it is not only this is a fundamental course. This is an expert course. Expert course is a more this is a focus of the ID career deeply. Yeah, deep learning is a very important. You must learn the server administrator. And final, you must need to learn this is a DNS, the domain name system, and this is a very important. Microsoft 365 administrator. This is a Microsoft 365 is a prerequisite, and you must need to this area, and you first this learn this area. For my experience and other technical experience to this some of the event to this is the attendees. And first, if you have a 1 year or 2 year experience, and you must you can take the associate level. Microsoft is or rule based exam. The fundamental, and second is associate. Third is final is expert. If you have a 1 year experience, you must this is your level is a fundamental level, and then you can second 2 or 3 years, you can take the associate level, and then you can you have the 5 years, and yes, over the 5 years you have the experience, you can take the expert level. Expert level is a very this is a final level and a very important level. You know, the M365 administrator is not the fundamental. This is an expert level. You must learn this area. And this is a very important the MS102 certification exam. You can see this is a 9 learning path, 9 learning path, learning path 1, learning path 2, and learning path final is a learning path 9. And but Microsoft study area is a full area. You can see this is first learning path 1 and learning path 2 is the teenage uh, teenage administrator, and this is a first you must learn the teenage administrator. And the second study area is the identity and access. This is the only learning part area. This is the only learning part 3 is implement identity and synchronization, and this is third area, learning path 3. And the 4 to 6 is security. You know, most of the people know is the security is Microsoft Defender. Yeah, and Microsoft Defender is security, and but only the Microsoft Defender to work the identity, Microsoft Entra, and the other Microsoft Exchange Administrator and Microsoft Team Administrator is a work together is the security for security. This is a 4 to 6 learning path. And final learning path 7 to 9 is the compliance. This is a MS102 certificate exam. You know, this is a very clear. And if you want to learn this MS102, you need to the 40 hours. You need the learn hour is a 40 hours. Microsoft is a recommend this is a learning part 9. Yeah, it's very important. And then you can see, yeah, you can if you want to the learn Microsoft MS102, you can see the this area is very important. The 4 area, this is a long journey, and you can see the first is a teenage, and second is identity, third is M365 Defender, final is the compliance. Compliance now the change to the Microsoft Purview. Purview is a there's a new name. First name is the Microsoft, compliance is the first name. Okay, and this is a MS102 certificate. I want to show you the how to learn, how to get your land career, and how to get the where is the resources. This is a very important 3 resources. First is a Microsoft Land, yeah. Second is a GitHub. You know, the some of the exam is a Microsoft prepare the simulation, but not MS102 is the not include the simulation, because I think later I think Microsoft prepared the simulation. This you know, the MS104, AZ104. This is an administrator, Azure administrator. You can get the simulation, but you can't you can get the MS104 is not include the simulation. Okay, and final your if you want to your together with your MCT, you know, the MCT is a Microsoft certified trainer. As if you want to the learn Microsoft MS102 as a 2 way. First way is your staff study, and second way is you can attend the classroom as a you can achieve your from your MCT PowerPoint. Okay, if you this is resources. Okay, I want to show you this how to learn Microsoft MS102, and where can you resources, and you can see the this this learning part. Okay, I want to show you demo. Okay, first I want to show you the Microsoft Learn. I close this tab, new tab. This is if you want to Google MS102. This is a core subject, you know. This is a core subject. If you want to be a Microsoft certified administrator expert, you must need to take the MS102 2 is a very important exam. Okay, first you need the MS LAN, and you can see that this is a very clear MS 102. I want to advise, this is a very important for your learning, and you can see this is this account. This is my account. My account is a Zanitin this is a Hotmail. If you want to your life career, your this step-by-step learning, you must you create the Microsoft account. This is a free account, and then you can see this is a free learning part of the resources. Okay, and then you can see this is a MS 102, and you can click the, this is very clear, and then you can see this is, if you if you are an administrator, and you must this area, and first your this is a M365 workload, and across the multiple M365 workload, and you achieve the workload and infrastructure, and this is a very important. And you can see next step is that you must learn the networking, server administrator, and DNS. Okay, and then you can click the, and you can see this is a very important. If you want to pass the exam, you must passing school is the 700, and this is a very important. And then you can see you step by step, and you can see this is a skill measurement. And if you want to take this exam, you must learn the 4 area, teammate and identity, the defender and value, and you can see that this is a which percentage of this exam. Okay, and then you can learn the two-way prepare. First is your self place, and the second is the instructor lead. Okay, and this is if you learn your self place, and you must log in your account, and then you can see this is Microsoft Learn is a very clear and very useful for our learner. Yeah, and you can see this is a MS 102 configuration. This is a first learning part 1. Okay, and you can click this link, and then you can see this is if this landing part is you must 1 hour and 36 minutes remaining. This is a 1 to 5 module, and this is a very clear. Microsoft is first is a learning part, and this is subtitle is the called the module. Yeah, module 1 2 to 5, and you can see this is, you can click the this prerequisite, and you can click the continue. Yeah, and then you can see this is a step by step. Your take a time, and your this learning area, and then you can see this, you can click this area, and as finally, if you pass this your learning as your minutes, this is a 5 minute, 10 minutes, 4 minutes. If you have the free time, and you can learn the very easy, and then final, you can check your knowledge. Okay, and then you can see this is your check knowledge. If I'm the draft this part, and you can check your answer is correct or not correct, and you can see this, you can see this is very easy, and you can take this your knowledge sector, and you can test your knowledge test. Okay, this is a Microsoft Learn is a very useful our learner, and you can see this Microsoft Learn. This is a free resource. Okay, and the second, yeah, second is a Microsoft GitHub. I want to show you the GitHub. And you can go the Google and MS 102 GitHub. Most of the people know the given what is a GitHub. GitHub is the Microsoft part of the learning area, and Microsoft part of the developer using. And you can see this is instruction, MS1 instruction, and then you can click the lab. This is a free, yeah, and then you can see lab exercise 1 2. This is a learning part. Yeah, this is a learning part 1. You have you have the 3 exercise. Yeah, learning part is a 3 exercise, and learning part 2 is the 3 exercise, and you can see learning part 3 is the 3 exercise. Yeah, this is a very easy. And if you want to take this exercise, and you can click this link, and And you can see WWL teenage. This is landing part, and Microsoft explain the practice, and you can this lab. And if you want to use this lab, and you can take the two-way. First week is the Microsoft Extreme Lab. Some of the people know the and this is Extreme Lab is very important. This is a Microsoft partner, and the second is you will create a free Microsoft M365 a free account, and you can apply this lab. This is a two-way. Yeah, I want to show you this two-way, and then you can see this is instruction, step-by-step instruction, and you can see this is a teenage preference, and this you can see the teenage password, and this is your instruction step by step. Yeah, and then you can see this is a LOL London client one. Why is one London client one? Then this not your you can see your lab, and this you can see the only the extreme lab. Yeah, I want to show you the extreme lab. Okay, and this is Microsoft GitHub instruction, and then you can see this is a London client one, and you can sign this password, because most of the people is the confused this where is the password, how to this apply this lab. This is only the extreme lab. Okay, I want to show you the demo the extreme lab. And if you want to use this extreme lab, you must need to you sign in the extreme lab. Okay, extreme extreme lab. This is extreme lab. This is the extreme lab. uh, if you your only the MCT, if you the MCT you can use this lab. But if you don't have you're not the MCT, you can you must purchase this lab. Yeah, this is a two-way. If you if you are one of the MCT, you can sign in this is Microsoft Extreme Lab, and this is very easy. And this is I want to show you the demo. I'm the one of the MCD, so I can access Extreme Lab. Yeah, this is an Extreme Lab, and you can see this is a Microsoft. This is an area, and this you can see, and this is a MS 102. Yeah, MS 102, and prepare the Extreme Lab, preparing this lab. Okay, and you can see this is a MS102 lab, and you can take this lab, and you if you the extreme lab allow the duration hour is this hour, and this lab you must apply this lab step by step. You need to do the Microsoft GitHub, and this lab instruction is the Microsoft GitHub Extreme Lab. Yeah, this is a one way. And second way is this is a very easy, and if you have your Microsoft M365 account, you can apply the Microsoft GitHub Lab. Okay, this is a two-way, and this is a Microsoft GitHub is a very useful. Your lab instruction is a very clear. Okay, and I want to go back to the Microsoft GitHub, and then Microsoft MS102 is the not include the simulation. You can see and not include this is a simulation. Okay, I want to show the what is a simulation, and then you can see so I want to show you that what is a simulation. If you learn the Microsoft MS102, sorry, MS102 GitHub. Yeah, MS102 sorry 104 is GitHub, and you can see you can click the GitHub, and then you can click the instruction, and then you can click the lab, and then this is a MS sorry AZ104. Yeah, AZ104. You can see the simulation. Yeah, some of the GitHub lab instruction is the include the simulation, and not MS102 does not include simulation. Okay, this is a different. Okay. Okay, the final is the Microsoft MS 102. If you enroll the Microsoft certified the Microsoft certified trainer, and you can see, and this is a Microsoft certified trainer PowerPoint. And then this is a MS 102 PowerPoint. Okay, this PowerPoint is this PowerPoint is very important in the short note, and then you can see this is very important, and then you can see this is a MCD PowerPoint. MCD only can access this PowerPoint. If you take your classroom and your country or your region, you work together, and you learn to the MCT, you can take the MCT PowerPoint. Okay, and then you can see this is MCT PowerPoint, and then MCT PowerPoint is not only the PowerPoint. It include the full note. You can see that this full note and the PowerPoint full note is a very important, and this is an area, and then you can see this PowerPoint also is a full note all together, and this is a very important. Okay, if you want to the Microsoft if you want to take the Microsoft MS 102, you can three-way. Yeah, I want to back my PowerPoint. And this is a three-way. First is Microsoft Learn is a very important. Second is Microsoft GitHub, and final is the MCD PowerPoint is a very important. This is a you can get these resources. Okay, and this I want to show you the other way. Okay, and I want to focus this core subject MS 102. No? MS 102 is a very important. It is a core subject, and you must take this exam, and then you can see this is MS 102 is a core subject, and this is a four area: teenage, identity, security, and final is the compliance. Yeah, this is a very important. I want to show you the demo teenage, how to learn the teenage, and identity. What is identity? Microsoft 365, and I want to show you a demo. And next slide. Okay, and this is Microsoft identity point of view. You need to know the Microsoft identity is the two method. This is first method is the Microsoft is cloud only identity method, and second is the hybrid method. Yeah, this is very important. Most of the organization is the three category: small, medium, and enterprise. Yeah, small and medium and company and organization is the only most of the company is only the cloud only identity, because the enterprise organization and enterprise company is have the hybrid identity. The hybrid identity is this is on premise and your cloud. Yeah, a cloud is the Microsoft 365 and the Microsoft Azure. Okay, and this is a Microsoft 365 includes a two identity model, and the first is a cloud only, and the second is a this is a hybrid identity. Okay, you this is a identity focus is a hybrid identity is focus, because this cloud only identity is a very easy and very this is a not confused, and this is a very easy method. Okay, and then first if you learn the identity, you must the Microsoft Azure AD Connect. There's a chain of the Microsoft Entra Connect. Yeah, and there's a not Microsoft using the Microsoft AD. AD is a chain to the name is a Entra. Yeah, Entra Connect. Okay, this is a very important. This is a identity. Modern is the you must know the you must learn the AD Microsoft AD Connect is a very important. Microsoft AD. What is a Microsoft AD Connect? Microsoft AD Connect is they apply the on-premise, and cloud is your responsibility and respond, and you can connect this is a very important tools. Yeah, okay, and you can see this picture. This is a very important, and I want to show you the deeply. And this is your organization, and this is a Microsoft 365 cloud. Okay, if you want to use the hybrid identity model, and this is the main things is Microsoft AD Connect, the main things. Okay, and this is the main tools, and you must install your server. You know the Microsoft server is using the ADDS. ADDS is on-premise working, and then you have the user, and you have the group, and this is properties, and your user property and your user account, and then you must just install this is a Microsoft AD Connect. And Microsoft AD Connect is a sync synchronization to the Microsoft 365 Microsoft Azure AD. And this is a very important, and you must learn the Microsoft AD Connect is a very important things. Okay, and this is a two-way. First way is a PHS. PHS is a password hash synchronization. Password hash synchronization is the this is this one-way method. And if you want to do the access your M365 account, and you can apply the username and password, and then check the Microsoft AD is a hash. You can see, and this is a very important copy of the account. Yeah, copy of the account is the not is the primary. This is the main subject. This the main subject is the install the Microsoft ADDS is the on-premise is a main, and this is a second way. Yeah, second thing, and this is not main. Okay, and this is a hash. And the second way is Microsoft PTA. PTA is it means it's a two-way check. You can see that this is arrow is the two arrow, and if you want to access the Microsoft 365 account, and then you can apply the username and password Microsoft Azure. And the second is a check. It's a Microsoft ADDS. The check. This is a two-way. This is called the PTA. Yeah, PTA is a pass-through authentication. Yeah. Okay. Final. Most of the organization, as like the enterprise organization, use this is a strong identity checking. You must need to the ADFS. You know the ADFS Federation Service. Okay, and this picture is a Federation Service. If you want to use the Microsoft product ADFS, this is a very easy. ADFS server. You must need to the ADFS server, but some of the organization are not using the Microsoft ADFS. Other third party this organization sorry, third party the Federation service, you can use that. This is a third party identity provider. You can see this point of the some of the people organization use the ADFS, or a third party identity provider is a you can use the third party provider. Okay, and this is a very important. I want to show you the demo. This is my M365 account. Yeah, M365 account. I'm a global administrator. Yeah, I can see the admin portal, and then I can click the admin portal. First, you need the what is a TNAT. Yeah, TNAT is a very important. You know the MS want to do include the landing part 1 and landing part 2 is the focus is a TNAT. TNAT, you can see this is a setting, and you can click the domain. I have a two TNAT. First is Microsoft default TNAT is a you know the on Microsoft document is a Microsoft default TNAT. You can delete this TNAT account. This is a very important, and you can delete your optional TNAT account. This is a different, and you can see set a default, and you can see remove domain. This is a different. Microsoft 365 is what is Microsoft 365? Very clear. Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based and secretion based. Okay, this is two things. This is one way is a cloud-based. Second is a secretion based. Okay, and you must know that this is a fundamental knowledge, and then you can see this is a basic knowledge, and this is a TNAT. a teenage might have a two teenage account. Yeah, you can see this is a user, and then this is a user, and you can see if you want to check your global account, and then you can click the filter, and you can click the global admin. This is a my global admin account. Yeah, and this is a global admin account. And if you want to synchronization, yeah, synchronization from your on-premise, you can do it, and then you can see that this is a dietary synchronization. Yeah, dietary synchronization. This is a dietary synchronization. You can sync your from your on-premise to your cloud M365 cloud. And this is a synchronization method. Okay, this is a teenage and synchronization is a very important. First, if you want to learn Microsoft MS 102, you need to the learning part 1 and learning part 2 is teenage. Learning part 3 is identity. Uh, we have the some of the my student confused this identity. Identity is very important, but Microsoft is the only learning part. 3 is only the Microsoft identity because it is a very important learning part. This is our my experience. This your if you want to work SI or in-house your ID life career, you must need to the synchronization is a very important. Some of the customer want to the this is a team conversation. This check the synchronization. Some of the customer use this want to the the on-premise and other teenage to the transport. This is migration, and this is a very important item. You must learn this step by step, and this is identity synchronization is a very important item. Okay, and then you must need to learn the Microsoft Entra. Yeah, Microsoft Entra. What is a Microsoft Entra? You can see that this is an identity. This is called the Microsoft Entra, and you can click the Microsoft Entra, and then you can click the okay, and you can see the Entra Admin Center. And if you want to create the Microsoft Dynamic Group, okay, there's a dynamic group, and then you can click the group and the all group, and then you can see the new group. Okay, and you can see many this is a membership type, and you can click the three. First is a assign, second is a dynamic user, final is a dynamic device. If you want to the Microsoft dynamic user and dynamic group, you must need the license is a very important. Yeah, if you this is your organization have a license is a very important for your this is a feature is, and you can see, this is my license, and you can click the overview, you can check your license. If you are the P2 license, you can apply the dynamic group. If you are your license, if you check your license is a free. You can create the Microsoft Dynamic Group. This is depend on your license. I want to advise your learning part. You must need to the license. Which license is and just combine the which feature. This is a very important. Yeah, feature and license is a very important and specified life career. Okay. I want to show you the some idea this your life career, and this is a learning part 1, learning part 2, and learning part 3 is a two study area. First is a teenage, second is a synchronization, this is a identity. Okay, I want to back the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, and next step is the our important area, security. Security, if you want to learn the Microsoft Defender, or if you want to learn to the Microsoft This is a security. You must prerequisite is very important. You have a role-based administrator training. You must learn the messaging, teamwork, security and compliance, collaboration. This is a first. And second is you must need to the your knowledge is DNS and basic fundamental experience. This is a second. Third is your life your you have the you must have the this is a general ID practice. And finally is the the PowerShell. PowerShell is a powerful command line, and this is a very important. You can you this is a prerequisite. And the second, security. Microsoft M365 security is this is a defender for Office 365, defender for identity, defender for endpoint. This is Microsoft security is a point of view. And the Microsoft has the there's a 1 billion in year and expenses, and the 35,000 ID engineer is a Microsoft is working the Microsoft security sector. The very important security is today our life journey. Okay, and you can see the M365 threat intelligence, and finally is the Microsoft Cloud App Security is a final. Okay, uh, this is the area is the you must just learn this area. And first I want to share your this is a prerequisite exam. You see the you can see the this is an endpoint manager. Yeah, endpoint manager is Microsoft is a one subject is a very important area. Okay, and you can see the this is a part of the Microsoft security, and you can see this is very important. Microsoft security model. What is Microsoft security model? Microsoft security model is a zero track model. Yeah, you can see this is a very important things. Zero trust equal to, yeah, you can see the never trust, always verify. If you be a manager, if you be this is your this network administrator, but this is the not need to the this identity. This is you must check the every this is this every condition, every situation, and you must check this is a very important security point of view. Okay, and first I want to show you that this a picture you can see, and you can see the two-way. This is an identity, and you can see that this is a device, and this is identity. If you want to do the identity check, and this is the identity provider, MFA is very important. And then some of the exam question have the this which this you must you have the MFA you must apply the MFA. This is a very important Microsoft security. Yeah, and then you can see that this is a user section rigs, and this is the identity. This is a person. Okay, and second is the device. Second device is the your just bring on your business. Yeah, this is a you can see the device in the inventory. This is a device checking, and the final if you pass this check, and then you can see the security policy and enforcement. What is security enforcement? And the conditional access TLB, and this is a very important policy, and you can see that this security. If you pass this security policy, and you can access your data, you can access your application, you can access the infrastructure, and you can access your network. And this is a Microsoft 365 zero trust model. Okay, this is every person, every device, and need your check your Microsoft security point of view. Okay, and then this is a Microsoft 365 Defender for Office 365. What is Defender for Office 365? Office 365 Defender is this you can see the this is a Exchange Online Protection EOP. Yeah, EOP is a Microsoft Exchange Online is very important, and you can see you can check your IP, you can check the URL reputation, and this is called the Microsoft 365 Defender for 365. Former name is Office 365 ATP. You know the ATP. Most of the people is know the ATP is the old name is the ATP, and you can see M365 Defender for M365 checking is this area as safe attachment, safe link, query time, anti-friction, and spoofing. This is Microsoft Security. Microsoft Security, if you want to learn Microsoft MS 102, you must learn the learning path, 3 learning path. Yes, there's a 4, 5, 6 is a Microsoft Security. This is very important. And you know this, what are these? This is a very important name. What is access control layers? What is data DLP? Data DLP policy. What is DLP policy? DLP policy is the preventing data exfiltration. Yeah, you know that this is a phishing. This is a very important area. And how to control, this is a apply the conditional access, zero threat assessment. What is a zero threat assessment? What is the M365 threat exposure? This is a very important thing, and you must learn this area. Yeah, and this is a Microsoft 365 security point of view. And final, I want to the security. This is a feature and license are very important. Your life. This is a ID. This is a security area. And if you, I want to show you a demo. This is the M365, my M365 account, and you can see this is a security sector. And click the security. Microsoft call the security is the Microsoft Defender. Okay, and then I want to show what is Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Office 365, you can see the Microsoft 365 for Office 365. This area is a Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Yeah, email and collaboration and the investigation, and then you can see this is security as a policy and rules, and you can see threat policy. And you can see this is a safe link, and this is a safe attachment. This is an anti-malware, anti-fiction, and this is a Microsoft 365, a defender for Microsoft 365 area. Yeah, and it not only the this M365 defender, this is a work together the Exchange administrator. You know the Exchange administrator, and this is a work together Exchange administrator and the uh, Microsoft 365 Defender is the work together. Okay, and then you can see this is a Microsoft Secure School, which is very important. Yeah, I have micro. I get the 56.29 percentage, and if you want to improve your Secure School, you must need this action. Yeah, which action is that you can see. You can see this action is very important. If you apply this action, you can get this mark. Okay, this score. Yeah, and this is a very important. This is a Microsoft Defender Secure Score. Yeah, if you want to learn Learning Hub, you can click the Learning Hub, and then you can see this is a Microsoft Security Learning Hub. This is very important. Our learner. Yeah. Okay. This is a time and your plan or your learning area. Okay, and this is a Microsoft 365 Defender. Yeah, a Microsoft 365 Defender include the Defender for Office 365 and Defender for this is a clock. You can see this you can see that this is a cloud app, and you can discover. Okay, you most of the people know Microsoft launch this is the 14 to 17 Microsoft it's Ignite, and Microsoft CU Satya Nadella to this is very important. Microsoft is using the Microsoft this is a Copilot and AI technology, and this is you know that this is a very important item, and this is a very important topic. You know this AI is our life is changes, and this is very important. And you can see this is a Microsoft 365 Defender is using the AI and technology and machine learning. Yeah, machine learning technology is using the Microsoft 365 Defender is include the this technology. Okay, and this is a very important. And the final, I want to show you the Microsoft compliance. Yeah, sorry, this sorry this final Microsoft compliance. Okay, I want to show you a demo compliance. This is a compliance this portal, and you can see the call Microsoft today. Microsoft called the change to the purview. Yeah, compliance, not the saying the Microsoft compliance is the same to the purview, and you can see this is a Microsoft purview. If you want to strong your security organization, you must apply the compliance. Yeah, you must apply the compliance. Compliance is very important, and you can see this is a data loss prevention. Yeah, and if you want to this data loss prevention, and you can learn that this is a data loss prevention. Again, if you want to apply this policy, you can create the policy, and then you can see you can create this policy, create policy, and then you can see this is a very important which category you want to apply this compliance. If you want to finance compliance, if you want to apply the medical and health, and if you want to custom category, and you can click the custom category, and then you can click the custom category, and then you can click the next. Okay, first this is a demo section, and then you can see this is a name, just a name. This is I want to default, I will do the default name, and I click the section, and then this is a assign admin. Okay, I want the default, and next, and then you can see which area apply this compliance, and you can see HA area, SharePoint area, OneDrive area, team area. If you apply this compliance, you can uh, check this. If you want to three area, you can check the three area. Okay, this is a very easy. And then next, and this is a DLP rule, and you can click the DLP rule, and you can create the create rule, and I want to show the root name, and then you can see which condition. Yeah, condition, this is a very important. Compliance is two question, if and then. Yeah, if and then, if the user apply this SS, and then a user to allow or block. This is a very important. It is a connection, and the connection, add the connection, contact connection, and then you can see with connection. Yeah, with connection, if you want to add the connection a sensitive information type, and if you want to apply the IP address, you can click the IP. You can see this is the IP address, IPv4 or IPv6, and if you want to apply the IP address compliance, okay, you can click the IP compliance. Okay, and then you can see this is a which action. Yeah, action, as you can see, the action is a restrict. This is a access and Microsoft location. Yeah, if you want to, this is a block everyone, or if you want to block only, this is your choice. And then you can choose your user notification. If you want to notification, you can click the notification error is on, and then you can see email notification, and you can apply the which this section, and you can apply this uh, the point of view, and you can apply the policy tip. And if you want to this policy tip, you can tip this custom, is very important. And then you can see the this is an accident report, and you can report, you can get the report. This is a area. Okay, and this is a option, and then you can save this rules. You can see your rule is there, this connection. And you can see if you want to edit, you can click the edit. And if you want to next, and if you want to see that your policy is turned on, But if you want to policy not apply this time, you can choose this turn off the policy. Yeah, this is very important. It is a very easy the compliance session. This is a TLP session. Okay, I want to, this is not apply the this organization. This is the only demo. Okay, I can click the cancel. Okay, thank you so much. This I want to back the Microsoft team. uh, Thank you so much this session for your attendings, and my friend Suraj and this team. Okay, so some of the people is the question. I want to check the check. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, yeah. I think welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, I can see the any question. Yeah,
If anyone has any question, just feel free to ask Zar.
yeah.
He will answer all your questions.
Most of the people is want to the upload my session to in YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, we will upload the recording.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So thank you so much. See, I think this time is the three times in 2023. I will see you the next year. I will prepare the my friend Suraj and our team, and prepare the training session. I will try my best. Thank you so much, Dennis and all Dennis, and see you the next section, next event. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Zar. Thank you for taking your
Thank,
time in
yeah.
guiding us. And I believe that everyone has a great learning experience today on how to become a certified Microsoft 365 administrator. And we all just enjoyed learning the session from you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
So I'm sharing the attendance form. Please do fill it, and and yeah, just give me a second. I'm sharing the attendance form. You will get the certificate only if you fill this attendance form. So this is the attendance form. Mm, Let me just copy the link. Yeah, yeah. So this is the attendance form, and do check this out. Do let me know if there's anything, uh, if you can access this form, and if you can fill it. Yeah, so this is, let me just pin it as well. Yeah. So yeah, I have pinged the attendance form. Please do check it, and please fill the attendance form. We will only share the certificate to those who will be filling the attendance form. It happened with us multiple times. Uh, People miss the attendance form, and then and they ask for certificate. So we won't be entertaining such requests. Please do fill out the attendance form. And I hope you all had a great learning experience today. And thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for joining.